Today we're checking out this leather cigar case, and it was sent to us by Handoct for us to check out. Now I've reviewed tons and tons of cigar cases and stuff like that. This one here, really nice. Sometimes they'll be like plastic, sometimes they'll be like leather. This one here is like the best of the best. I really like this leather outside right here. The inside looks really nice, and you get a whole bunch of accessories with it as well. Obviously, you're going to get the humidor right here, and it also has a built-in hygrometer, so you can keep tabs on everything. Really easy, simple to use this. This just pops out right here. This little plastic piece underneath will then pop out. Give it a couple taps and get it out of there. Come on, fall out of there, boy. There we go. Just like that. And then it comes with a little like syringe type thing right there. Just suck up some water, put it in there, get that nice and moist, and then you're going to set it back inside of here, and then you're going to put it back here inside of your humidor. And then, like I said, you can keep tabs on this whenever that starts getting a little low. Add a little bit of water to it. We'll put that back inside of there. And then also right here, it does have a little pouch, and inside here, it's going to come with a really nice cigar lighter. It has two torches on there, and you can easily adjust it right here at the bottom. You can add your butane in there. This one here is a V cut. I love the V cut. This is great for, you know, if you're a beginner, something like that. Even experienced guys use the V cut. I'm not really good at cutting cigars, so the V cut is really nice. Makes it really easy and simple to do. Boom, just like that. Close it back up. It also does have the punch on there. Right there you go. I believe that's the only punch it has in there. Some of these do have like double punches, but that one just has the single punch, the V cut, and the lighter that is on there. So overall, you're going to get a whole bunch of really cool little things with this cigar humidor. Closes up, zips right up. Really nice zipper on there, really thick, strong, sturdy. And then it also has like a little exterior pouch on here to where you can, you know, maybe put some things inside there. Smells really good. I always love the way these smell. So yeah, overall, super impressed with it. Again, this one here is from Handoct. They did send it to us. If you're interested in something like this, whether it's for yourself, a friend, buddy, whatever, go ahead and check this one out.